In this multiple choice question from the given option, they are directing us to specify the correct fungus making hallucinogenic molecule. For this, we are choosing Amentia muscaria. Why? Because this makes hallucinogenic molecule unlike option A, C, and D. This Amentia muscaria is having the potential to grow in wider tropical zone and responsible for making various hallucinogenic molecule. So species who are consuming this mushroom will get the hallucination, and also deviation in the nerve impulse transmission brings a lot of negative physiological impact. With this specification, we are illustrating all the points what we told with this pictorial representation to have a recap and also to take the neat notes for future reference. A few type of mushroom like Amentia muscaria is producing the hallucinogenic molecule. Hallucinogenic chemicals such as psilocybin and psilocin are secreted by Psilocybe mexicana and Panaeolus species. So, this hallucinogenic components is bringing a great damage in the human cell and deviates the nerve impulse transmission. So, with this specification, we are choosing option B as a correct answer, and we are ignoring option A, C, and D. Why? Because this particular fungus is not responsible for making the hallucinogenic molecule, unlike option B is a correct answer. So that we are choosing option B as a correct answer to secure 4 marks.